Hello and welcome to your weekly technical update, your guide to the charts that matter this week. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, let's begin with a look at the ASX 200 with almost 1 month down in 2026. For perspective, let's wind back to just prior to Christmas when I caught up with Jason McIntosh from Motion Trader. Here he lays out the foundations for a broader market move.
I think the key here is for prices to stabilise near current levels. If they lose their footing around where they are now, start trading below around, say, 8,500, then that really does bring into play a retest of the November lows. So there are a couple of orange flags to take into account. But I think there's enough on the positive side of the ledger to still maintain a bullish position for now. I'll show you what I mean by that. So I've got a chart of the ASX 200 equal weight. So this provides a different picture to what we're seeing in the ASX 200. So while the ASX 200 is below declining moving averages, the equal weight has been consolidating above moving averages, which are still generally rising. I also like that there's been a strong rally from near the 100-day moving average. That was about 4 weeks ago. And then from that rally 4 weeks ago, you can see that that prices have really been consolidating in a shallow format. So prices have just nudged back from those highs from 4 weeks ago. And I think that's a sign that there is buying interest in the across the broader market. And when I look at this chart, it looks like it's preparing to move higher.
And indeed, that's what it's done since that time, having consolidated before pushing higher, with the ASX 200 now closing in on 9,000 points. Well, as gold continues to scale new record highs, let's get some analysis of two of the larger producers on the ASX. Violeta Todorova first looks at Northern Star, which gained around 73% in 2025, comfortably outperforming the price of gold itself.
I am very, very comfortable and I expect higher price levels in the year ahead. We see a little bit of consolidation over the past few months. However, support at $22.77 is holding very comfortably, and the recent pullback near support is providing investors with great buying opportunity. I think the first upside for the stock would be a retest of the resistance of $27.99, which in my view eventually is going to be broken on the upside, which will open the way for the share price to rally first to $30 and over the longer term to $32. So accumulating around current price levels seems a very good strategy.
And next, Violeta Todorova analyses the chart for Evolution Mining.
Stock increased a staggering 164%, and I think that outperformance of gold is likely to extend in 2026. I believe the recent break above resistance is confirming the extension of the bull trend. The relative strength index indicator is also sitting very comfortably in the bull market range, suggesting that internal momentum conditions are very, very strong. So I think given the recent breakout, Evolution can comfortably rise to around $14 in the near term and by $16 over the medium term. So very happy to buy around current price levels.
And that's it for this week's edition of The Charts. To watch, join us for more technical talk next week. Happy trading.